Gold achieved the lows at 1932 levels yesterday and has bounced back and recovered strongly, now trading at 1946. Does it mean that the prices have reversed and we are going to look forward to a rally today? Yes, the CPI data may bring volatility. So, what to expect? How to profit trading gold today? We will see with the help of charts and indicators. If you are new to the channel, do subscribe to the channel so that you can get live updates. The next update will be released before the US session, before the CPI data from US. Watch that as well. On the hourly charts, if you look at gold's movement, it is trading in this channel and it is willing to break out, and thus if you see it is staying above 1950, we can buy, but then wait for it to break past couple of key levels, 1954 and 1960. If these two levels are taken, consider that as a reversal in gold and the higher highs can be achieved today. Also, if you look at the movement, see lower lows here and then since then rebound, now it is consolidating. If you also observe the charts here, it is just staying in the box, rally, then consolidation. It is willing to give a breakout, and now see it could continue the momentum which is it has gained yesterday. So possibly it could break out on the upside after consolidating. At the same time, one must not that yesterday it has shown very good resistance at 40-42 levels, and this is going to be a very good support zone today. Any drop below 40-42 will bring further bearishness today. We can take it till towards 1936 and below levels. In fact, 1930 levels can also be seen if it stays below 1936. Look at stochastic on the hourly chart, it has dropped. The MACD is in green looking upwards. RSI is flat on the hourly charts. Coming to the 2-hour chart. Now, so far on the 2-hour chart, see moving averages are trading with divergence. It have crossed over here and since then traded bearish. If you look at the price, always tries to move towards 50 period and since then bearish. Couple of bounce backs here, and this time again it is just consolidating between the 20 and 50 period moving average. The 50 period moving average is sitting at around 1952 levels here. Stochastic overbought, MACD is divergent, MACD is bullish, it has crossed over at bottom, almost triple bottom is formed here and it is looking forward to a rise. It suggests that there is a good support here and that is where the recovery exists. RSI is comfortable and flat. Coming to 3-hour, if you look at 3-hour chart, see almost symmetrical formation here and a breakout above 1950 may bring further bullishness for 54-60 level. 60 is the level which is going to give maximum resistance. Now see what has happened here. This is just the retracement, or you can say the divergence which was there from the 20 period moving average. It has converged here, the same divergence, and it has converged here. So is it a reversal? So not yet, or it cannot be confirmed as of now that this is a reversal as long as 1960 levels are respected. Once the price stays above 1960, that is the time you can say that it is turning bullish. Else if you notice, it is just staying in this bearish channel. If you look at the stochastic, this is overbought. MACD has crossed over at bottom after these double bottom levels. It is still looking upwards, trying to trade bullish. It does not mean that it cannot go further down, but right now, if you see this and observe closely, you will find a curve is formed. So possibly it is going to turn bullish from here. RSI has come out of the oversold levels, coming to 4. Likewise on the 4-hour chart, see, look at these candles here. It stayed lower lows and then this reversal candle appear where we have seen this breakout. After the breakout, it is just consolidating in the zone. Thus, for the day below 1942, then 40 and then 38, once this complete zone is taken away, you can say that the prices are turning bearish for 35 and 30 levels. Also, if you notice, see, it has just achieved the 20 period moving average here. What it has done, it has just achieved the 20 period moving average here, and this is a bearish sign. Also look at the moving averages crossover. This is a bearish sign as well. Now the 50 and 100 are also on the verge of a crossover at 1960, again a bearish sign. So yes, prices might stay between this zone between 1950 and 60, and as long as 1960 is respected, we should not treat this as a bullish reversal. Stochastic back to overbought. MACD has crossed over again after forming double bottom, trading with divergence, trading bullish, looking upwards. RSI has come out of the oversold zone. Coming to the, if you look at the daily charts closely, see on the daily charts, prices were divergent from the moving averages. It's converged here. The moving averages are still bullish. It is both are all the three, that is 20, 50 and 100 period moving averages are laying one over other. It is still in the green zone or it is still in the buy zone. There is no crossover is seen. At the same time, the preceding candle comes with a tail and a body and a little wick on the upside. So now little wick on the upside at least is suggest that we may see 1954 levels, at least 53, 54 levels somewhere here it should achieve. And if it stays above 54, then more bullishness may prevail towards 19. So primarily it appears that we may see a little rise towards 1954. At least this should get achieved, and then further rise. At the same time, look at the preceding candle. It has got a good swing between the highs and the lows. Thus, only bearishness in gold is if it stays below 1942 and 1938 zone. This is the zone where it has got maximum support. Below 1938 is where the bears will take over. Now, let me give you the trading levels at which you can buy and at which you can sell and make profit today. But before I give you the strategy, if you want to learn this art of trading, you can join my mentorship batch. 27th batch is going to start on 20th of November. Register yourself now itself. Reach out to me for more details. My Telegram and email IDs are mentioned in the channel and video description. You can find the details and you can register for the batch by visiting our page www.forexfunda.com. The link is mentioned in the channel and video description. Here are the details with respect to the batch, the timings, the curriculum, the services you will get, and yes, the payment step where you can click and proceed ahead with the payment. Yes, you can fill in the details and register for the batch. Do not miss this opportunity. Also, you can explore this platform. It is also got the economic calendar. You can find or you can track the data releases from across the globe here. Be it see today CPI data, you can watch out here. You can also search for your favorite instrument, click on your favorite instrument, do the charting, do the analysis. Also, you can schedule a call with me if you need any consultation or guidance. And yes, the most important part is the discussion forum. Do join the discussion forum as well. Thus, visit the platform forexfunda.com. Now today, once price stays above 1949 or 1950, you can say this is the first resistance zone. You can buy gold today, and possibly we'll look forward to somewhere at 1954, close to 1954. This should be the first target. If it stays above this zone, you can expect that the next resistance is at 1960. These two levels are going to play a major role today. Beyond 1960 is where the bulls will try to take over, and then further rally towards 1970, 1985 levels can be expected. On the downside, I will recommend you to sell at 1942, but this comes with a caution note that 1940, 1938, these are going to remain a greater support levels for the day. It is only if you see it is staying below 1938, you can say that little bearishness will be seen for 1935, 1930 levels. 1930 level is a greater support for gold today. So take your positions accordingly, trade with a stop loss and a trailing stop loss. Like, share, subscribe and comment. Join my mentorship batch, join my signals channel. If you want to trade as per the signals, you can reach out to me via Telegram or email. Thank you very much. See you again before the US session. Do not forget to press the like button before leaving the video. Thank you. Have a great profitable trading day ahead, and do join the mentorship batch. Reach out to me again in case of any queries. Thank you.